In this video, we are going to look at how to add a sample line to an existing sample line group. I have a set of sample lines here in one sample line group. I want to add two more sample lines to this group, one at here and one at here. In station wise, it should be 365 here and 385 onto here. So to do that, what I do is click on one sample line, then go to edit sample line from the ribbon and select a sample line back again. It will select the sample line group once I click on a sample line. Then what I do is I go to here and go to at a station. Now I need to type my station on the command line. So I type 365 as my station. Then my left swath width, it should be 20. Right swath width, it would be 20 again. Now you will see my sample line created at this location. Now I move on to this location 385, type 385, swath width same as earlier, 20 to the left and 20 to the right. Now you can see I have two more sample lines in the same group by this method. Once you're done with the sample lines, you can press enter to end the sample line creation. That's how to create sample lines or add sample lines to a existing sample line group.